The 55-inch QLED OnePlus TV comes in as a complete surprise in this category. The 4K Ultra HD display along with 50 watts output, subwoofers and full-range speakers gives an ultimate theater experience of theater at home. It has a hassle-free setup process from delivery, installation and technical setup. It was delivered with couple of days of ordering. The installation was done on spot by delivery guys. The setup was very easy to follow. Just fire up the TV and you will be guided through the process to sync it to inbuilt Wi-Fi, syncing in YouTube account and more. It's perfectly compatible with Google Home and Alexa. We have both and we have tested the same. The remote which comes along the TV is also quite impressive with its sleek silver design. It operates on USB charging instead of regular remote batteries, which is definitely a plus. It has an inbuilt button of Google Assistant. You can speak into the mic in the remote to control your TV. Cons: waiting for the Netflix support. Doesn't come with a tabletop stand. Remote is very slippery. TV is best. Good picture quality. Sounds are awesome. Premium product. The product was delivered on time. The installation was done at the time of delivery itself. Picture quality and sound is amazing. Value for money product. Best TV compare Sony OnePlus same. Pros: sound system has treble and have a different feel. Slim and slick design of both TV and remote, latest TV OS. Hardware wise it's durable and designed for Indian terrain. Cons: TV screen is reflective, which you should notice if you pay that much. Sound system should have been better. I know I said it has good treble, but for some content it is a disadvantage. Remote should have a power on, off button, mute button. Hardware: TV looks quite premium and sturdy with minimal bezels. Picture quality: both HDR non-HDR contents looks great. Xbox 4K HDR games look amazing. Colors are punchy. Software needs lot of updates and bug fixes. YouTube is stuttering continuously. Bluetooth audio has static noise and audio delay. Most of the streaming apps stutter while playing 4K HDR content. Hope all the bugs are fixed soon via software updates. Alexa integration and commands works great. Remote control: I did not like the stock aluminum remote, looks great but not very practical. Most used buttons are missing: inputs, mute, picture mode, power off, long press 1+ button is slow, rad. Comes with Netflix, YouTube, input buttons. Hope OnePlus ships this with new orders. I am very happy with my purchase, just hoping for bug fixes. Hats off to TV. Quality absolutely best. Love the picture quality and sound quality. Just got disappointed by Amazon service as they didn't provide me installation end. As due to unavailability of the service in my pin code. Just didn't received a refund amount which they had committed. Very much disappointed by Amazon team. TV is awesome. Masterpiece product. Just go for it. My reviews after 15 days of use. Pros: 1. Almost bezel-less screen. 2. Amazing picture quality only in HD channels of course. Click link in description for more reviews.